Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So I got Lenrue computer speaker A39Pro-1 speaker. It looks so cool, and it has 360 surround, and it has hi-fi sound. It has the audio cable, and the supply is USB power supply, so you can plug it to USB, and then that's it. You don't need no power cord or nothing. That's USB power. And yeah guys, there we have it. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys how it looks like. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I already took out this from the box. So let's take out the speaker. Alright guys, so here's the speaker right here. Alright. And here's the USB. Here is the audio cable and USB. Alright, so let's take out the speaker and show you guys how it looks like. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is one of the LED lights and one here. And wound the volume control, and this is how it looks like, guys. Let's go to the back and see what it looks like at the back. Alright guys, so this is the back. There is the headset port for the headset, and then there is a switch off and on switch for the LED lights. And yeah guys, there you guys have it. So I'm gonna set this up on my desk and show you guys how it looks like. Guys, so here's the speaker, and it's on. I hooked it up to my gaming monitor, to my PlayStation 5, and here is the LED lights. It looks so cool, and let's show you guys how it sounds. Let's get it. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the sound and the speaker and unboxing, drop a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.